have occupied the formerly known as R.W. Wilcox, but now known as Lillian Ngoyi House. And we have been here trying to shut down the university. We finally did it this Friday, and they have met our demands to decrease the 11.5%, or they're having talks about it. Exams have been postponed to a later date, and management is willing to now discuss with us and move forward with us as students.
And what is all this food?
These are donations and sponsorships from different types of people from all over. So all the food that you see is different sponsorships and donations from across South Africa.